Hi, welcome to the Repco Know-How video on air filters. Your Repco store is your #1 destination for air filters with an unrivaled 3-tier filter program. An air filter cleans the air before it's burnt by the motor. Now an air filter can only hold so much dirt, and once it's full, dirt can pass through the filter into the engine, causing damage. It's one of the easiest jobs you can do to repair in your car, and it's as simple as this. And it improves the performance and life of your engine. This dirt enters the combustion chamber, hurts performance and will cause damage. It can also contaminate the mass air sensor, which will affect drivability, and they are very expensive to replace. A dirty air filter will also restrict the amount of air that goes through to the engine, thus reducing power. There are 3 things that make a good filter. 1. Efficiency, which is the percentage of dirt that a filter removes. 2. Flow. This is how easily air moves through the filter. Loss of power can occur if there's poor flow, therefore starving the engine of air. 3. Life. This is how long the filter lasts before clogging up. Higher the quality of the filter media or paper, the longer the life of the filter. It is essential to replace your filter at the required service interval, so make sure you check your logbook to find out what that service interval is for your particular vehicle. Your local Repco store offers an unrivaled range of filtration with our 3-tier filter program of Repco, Repco and Silverline. So remember, Repco has more parts for more cars, and that's why Repco's #1 in auto parts.